First for me, it's a Compaq. It's an oldie but a goodie. Not really an oldie vintage, but it's an NX9420. It comes with Windows XP and Vista compatibility. That was before the Service Pack 1. What I find that's really neat is that, okay, once you get in the BIOS, you've got a way to format and like fast optimize or custom format your hard drive, which is odd. There's a security option just for your SD card, which I would imagine that if you put one, it would encrypt it to the motherboard. I have no idea why. Kind of like a lock drive password also. Amazing. And also this part I think is cool. Memory and hard drive test. And the hard drive test has 3 different levels. Pretty interesting. I'm just gonna check out the languages because I wanted to see, yeah, if it had Spanish. And wow, great BIOS. It's old and whatever, but it's cool to have weird options like that. We normally don't have that. I'm probably gonna keep this just for the option of formatting and diagnosing the SS2, DDR2 memories, because it's better than any other software I've had, and it does it in like less than 10 minutes. Deep scans.